Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Chrome is updated and your data is safe. Open Chrome//settings/help to verify the version. If you prefer, sync or export bookmarks now so you can undo mistakes later. Once done, open Chrome//settings and look for Appearance and on Startup sections. These are where you'll change themes, home button, and new tab behavior. Make sure to avoid random flags yet. Flags can alter layout but may break features. You're now ready to change visible interface elements. You'll now modify appearance and layout. In Settings Appearance, choose a theme or install one from the web store to change colors and tab contrast. Next, toggle the Home button and Bookmarks bar to simplify navigation. You can drag bookmarks to reorder them. For startup behavior, decide between opening specific pages, continuing where you left off, or opening the new tab page. If you want compact tabs or touch UI, look under Device or Accessibility. Each change applies immediately, so you can evaluate the result. To finish, add extensions and advanced tweaks carefully. You can install new tab managers or toolbar extensions to add buttons and shortcuts, and use theme enhancers for fine color control. If you want deeper changes, Chrome//flags offers experimental options. Try one at a time and observe effects, and make sure to note what you change. If something breaks, disable extensions first, clear cache and cookies, then reset settings or reinstall Chrome. That single recovery step, reset flags or settings, solves most interface issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.